Assalamualaikum and hi. This is our video group assignment electric circuit fundamental by group A.
Okay, this is our team.
I'm Alysha Jazlinda. So this is the introduction. This group project was handled by 6 of us and we are assigned to develop the electrical electronic system for a playhouse in which located outside the resident home. In this project, we used CapCut software for the simulation. The tools that we provided in the software are very useful and easy to understand our assignment in the process to build the system of the playhouse. We order which are the brightness, temperature, monitoring and others. Second, our team decided to choose temperature and brightness as the two important electrical features in the process of building the system of the playhouse. In designing process, we have planned to put temperature sensor at outdoor and indoor playhouse to detect the temperature is higher than 35 degrees Celsius. Other than that, we decided to put LED outside the house. We will explain all the usage further in our proposal. Lastly, all the things that we decide to use give a lot of advantages for all the children. We have discussed for few weeks to make sure our project succeed. All electrical features that we decide to use is based on things that we have learned. Through the simulation, we found out that we succeed in designing the system.
Now I will talk about the advantages of the purpose circuit. One of the advantages of the purpose circuit is that the children will feel cool and comfortable when playing in the playhouse because we use the temperature sensor and be set to a specific temperature to detect the temperature of the surroundings. If the temperature is higher than 35 degrees Celsius, it will turn on the motor of the exhaust fan. It also can remove the bad odor in the playhouse and keep the room filled with fresh air, so the children can play for a long time in the playhouse. Another advantage of the purpose circuit is the children will not stay in the dark and they can play at night time. It is because we use LEDs in the playhouse, so the children will not feel scared of the dark. We can keep an eye on the children while they are playing in the playhouse and can see them clearly from afar and we may know if something might happen to them. Other than that, they can feel heat from the light that has already been set to turn on during the night. The heat from light can keep them warm during the night, so they can play happily in the playhouse without worrying about the night cold.
From the question given, we have developed the specification of our circuits that based on the requirements given. The circuit requires a 5-person playhouse that can accommodate optional settings like temperature, brightness, monitoring to control all the electric and electronic devices such as lights and fan in the playhouse. Next, we use many types of electrical circuits for the playhouse that utilizing varieties of electronic circuit types such as AC and DC circuits, as well as digital, analog and electronic circuits such as Arduino.
Okay, now I will show you the schematic of our project. We have the transistor, which are connected to our DC motor, and the base of the transistor is connected to the digital pin of the Arduino. And next, our photoresistor. Our photoresistor is connected to the pin of the analog on Arduino, and it is also connected to the bulb. Yes, that's all. Okay, now I will show you the simulation of the circuit. So we use the Arduino to set the threshold for our temperature resistor. So here we can see that start simulation. Okay, so you can see that here the temperature is 35 degree, or I will set 31, 32. And our motor fan, which is our ventilation fan, is still not spinning. So when we set our temperature above like 36, we can see that our ventilation fan is start to spinning. So that's one of the function of the circuit. And next is for the light within the room. So we can see if there are no light, which is dark, which is at night, you see that the bulb is light up. So in the house, when the night time, the bulb will be automatically switched on. However, when during the day, you can see that the light is turned off. So this is the code that we use.
In conclusion, electrical systems are groups of electrical components that are connected to carry out some operations. Electrical system design can be used as simple as 8-cell batteries to wires that connected to a light bulb and some other components that involved. This also includes electrical layouts like main and voltage drop, like we propose any related circuit to the playhouse using various types of electrical circuit. An engineer needs to look at electrical system circuit when producing a product. Every project that produced by engineering have a different electrical design. Its design depends on exhaust fan and LED to make sure the playhouse is easy to use. This project can be adjusted by itself if the temperature is higher and the light can be switched on during the night time. The children can play safely in the playhouse during day and night time. So, from our project, we succeed to build the playhouse using CapCut software.